Camp 26 here, just do tips and repairs and hobbies. And we've got, whoops, the brace that I put together. I'll show you how it works around my neck. So you put it around your neck like this, and you click it in if you can, and then you put your phone on there like this. There, like that, extended, and you can work the buttons and do your video like that. So I wanted to show you that. I'm going to take this off, and you click the button here to take it off, and show you what I did there. See, like that. I put green stuff putty there, and this part right here. I'm going to link the other video to this to show you and what to do with the part. So thanks for watching. Have a great day. Rate and subscribe. We'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.